Hi, welcome to the course of how to build a professional website by using Joomla content management system. In this course, I will teach you how to build your own site by using Joomla CMS. I am Nader Adam. I am a programmer for 14 years ago. Also, I am a trainer for web and mobile apps for 12 years ago. In this course, I will teach you all about Joomla CMS. Before starting with the Joomla, I want to define the Joomla CMS. Joomla is an open source content management system, CMS, which is used to build websites and online applications. It's free and extendable, which is separated into front-end templates and back-end templates. Administrator. Joomla is developed using PHP, object-oriented language programming, software design patterns, and MySQL, which used for storing the data. This course will teach you the basics of Joomla, using which you can create websites with ease. This course is divided into sections such as Introduction to Joomla, Installing Joomla, Modules and Articles in Joomla CMS. This course has been prepared for anyone who has urge to develop websites. After completing this course, you will find yourself at a moderate level of expertise in developing websites using Joomla. Joomla used over 68 million downloads and counting. Thousands of extensions and designs are available for Joomla CMS. Also, Joomla is user-friendly and mobile-ready. In this course, we will learn Joomla with the latest version of Joomla, version 3.6.2. This is the last version of Joomla. Here I will show you some of websites which built by Joomla, like this professional sites. So you can design and develop websites for restaurants or coffee shop to add some great products or features. Also, you can do some professional looking like these websites by using Joomla. Also, this site designed and developed with the Joomla CMS. Here we see the great banner. Also, this site prepared by Joomla CMS with the great looking. Also, we can do this site. And this is the medical site prepared by Joomla CMS. Joomla considered the best CMS over the world. Also, this site for selling some products designed and developed with Joomla CMS. Here we see the great portfolio websites to show you the best working for building a website. And here we see a professional banner with a great design. Here we see also I will show you a lot of Joomla themes. Some of these themes and templates are free, and the other of these themes and templates are paid. There are a lot of extensions for Joomla. The main sections at this course, which I will show you, modules, extensions, articles, menus, installing for the CMS of Joomla. And here we see the great looking of Joomla. Also, these are the Pro tabs with the slider. They can be produced with the Joomla CMS. And here is a professional looking with the paradise, a great looking image. Here we can show the photo gallery with a great looking by using Joomla. And also this is the carousel slider show for building some websites by using Joomla CMS. Here we see the great looking of drop down menus which built by Joomla. Joomla is secure and faster than any CMS over the world. So that's all for this short introductory, and welcome again to the course of how to build your professional website by using Joomla.